Let us take another example. A bag contains 24 balls of which X are red, 2X are white and 3X are blue. A ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that it is number 1 not red, second white, third red or blue? In this question we notice total balls equals 24, red balls equal to X, white balls equal to 2X and blue balls equal to 3X. Therefore, X plus 2X plus 3X equals 24. This implies 6X equals 24. This implies X equal to 4. Therefore, red balls equals 4, white balls equal to 8, blue balls equal to 12. So total balls are 24. Now first, probability of not red. When we say probability of not red, that is we don't have to take red ball. Ball will be either white or blue. So probability of not red will be 8 plus 12 divided by 24, that is 20 by 24. That means we get this to be, we divide by 4, so 5 by 6. Second, probability of white. We notice that there are 8 white balls, so 8 are favorable. So probability is 8 by 24, that means 1 by 3. And third, probability of red or blue. So favorable is either red or blue. That is favorable, we have 4 plus 12 upon 24. That is 16 by 24, that means 2 by 3.